Hi everybody, I'm Chef Noi from Suay Restaurant. Today I want to talk about our new project which is called Suay Sous Vide. Suay Sous Vide is based on our signature dishes that we have created it and vacuum seal it. So we put in pasteurized system above 100 Celsius so to kill all the bacteria, so you can be sure that our food is safe and clean, so you can keep it very long. So all of this we have made it very easy for you to reheat and cook at home. For example, you take the massaman curry with the coconut gnocchis together, put it in boiling water for 20 minutes, take it out and it's ready to eat. For the gnocchis, I would recommend to take it out and pan fry it to get a very nice color. So these are the items we have heated up: coconut gnocchis and the beef cheek. It's very simple. Just take the vacuum bag from the hot boiling water. After 20 minutes, take it out from the bag. Very nice. The meat is still juicy and nice, same as when you sit at Suay. And the curry sauce. So, very easy made. Enjoy. That's it. It's very simple and clean. So enjoy your soy food at home. Thank you for watching. So soft and tender, just like at Suay.